Animal Welfare Day is an international day of action for animal rights and welfare. It is celebrated annually on October 4th. World Animal Welfare Day celebrates the relationship between humankind and animal kingdom and also improves animal welfare standards worldwide through the support and involvement of individuals, groups, and organizations that care for and love animals.
The origin of the World Animal Day. World Animal Day was originated by sinologist Henrik Zimmermann. He organized the first World Animal Day on 24th March 1925 at the Sport Palace in Berlin, Germany. Over 5,000 people attended this first event. The event was originally scheduled for 4th October to align with the feast day of Saint Francis of Assisi, the patron saint of ecology. However, the venue was not available on that day. The event was moved to 4th October for the first time in 1929. Every year, Zimmermann worked tirelessly on the promotion of World Animal Day. Finally, in May 1931, at a Congress of the International Animal Protection Congress in Florence, Italy, his proposal to make 4th October World Animal Day universal was unanimously accepted and adopted as a resolution.
Aims and laws. The participation in World Animal Welfare Day has consistently grown, and it will remain to do so until the animal advocates from around the world are connected. For this cause of keeping the planet's animals safe, any individual or organization can take part. The main reason to popularize the celebration of this day is that the lives of animals are profoundly affected by the actions of people and social movements. World Animal Day claims to embrace all animals and the unique concerns of each species in different countries. The laws imposed. Some of the most groundbreaking pieces of legislation are the Animal Welfare Act 2006 in UK, the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act of 1960 India, and the Animal Welfare Act of 1966 USA, which brought together and updated all the main legislation concerning domestic animals in their particular nations.
Australian zookeeper, television personality, wildlife expert, environmentalist, and conservationist. Irwin was a passionate conservationist and believed in promoting environmentalism by sharing his excitement about the natural world rather than preaching to people. He considered conservation to be the most important part of his work. Dean Snyder is a Swiss animal sanctuary founder and social media personality based in South Africa. He is currently one of the main animal activists who is trying to educate people about the animals and the difficulties faced by them. Snyder moved to South Africa in 2017 to establish a wildlife sanctuary and rehabilitation center, Hakuna Mipaka. Ronnie Lee is a British animal rights activist. He is known primarily for being the press officer for the UK Liberation Front in 1976. He has also founded the magazine Archangel in 1989.
Events which promote animal welfare. The World Animal Net Events Calendar is a service to the animal protection community. To achieve this, we encourage animal welfare organizations, community groups, youth and children's clubs, schools and individuals to organize events in celebration of the World Animal Day. Events are organized under the World Animal Day umbrella by being publicized and advertised using the World Animal Day brand and logo. Global branding effectively ties all these events together, and over the years we have found this approach to be particularly helpful to grassroots groups who struggle to attract media attention in order to raise awareness for their work and to fundraise.
Don't treat animals as animals. Treat them as living beings. That's what they are. Anthony Douglas Williams.
Dear God, give us courage to hear your voice and the strength to continue working for your kingdom in this time of pandemic. Do not allow us to be indifferent to those who today suffer the loss of loved ones or who suffers from the absence of work, but give us courage to accompany and side with those who suffer violence or injustice. God of all consolation, may they know your protection and peace. May God be with us in work and play. Satyam Buriyal, Priyam Buriyal.
Animals are living beings that have the right to live on this earth as much as we human beings do. So today, let us pledge that we will try our best to ensure that animals have a safe and peaceful life on this earth. Thank you. This was presented to you by the students of Class 10C.